Top of the morning to y'all boys. We are out here somewhere in the middle of Mississippi, and we are trying to get some work in today. And I'm not going to say the gym name because I talked to someone on the phone, right? And I was like, hey, how much is your day pass? And she was like, well, it's $15 if you come with the member. All right, cool. So I was thinking she was going to say like maybe 20. And then she was like, and it's $30 without a member. I said, $30? I said, who's going to pay that? And she was like, well, if you come before 8 o'clock, I'll let you use my thing, da 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 da. So, shout out to old girl. We're gonna get there. It's like a mile walk. I don't really think y'all wanna see the mile walk, but we gonna get there, y'all. And then we gonna work out. Check the steppers, check the pants. I'm fresh to death. All right.
Got no spot.
Hey, that's a bet. I'm here to try any and everything.
Yeah, real talk. No problem.
$30 for the day pass here.
It used to be $15, $16.
I believe it.
They went up.
She said $30. It's 30 what?
My cousin tried to come here a while ago. They told him 30. I said, man, they went up. It used to be $16.
$30 is a question.
For real. Let me just warm up. Do a little warm up, sir. When I get to 225, though, I don't know.
Yeah, me too. I'm the same way. I might be able to pump out one. Good reps. Give me a lift off for sure.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. You got it. Get up there.
God damn. All right, let's drop it.
Let's get it. Hey, you did one.
I said, but yeah, you know, more than anything, I want to get the workout in too.
Right. So.
10 of them things, let's do 25 on there. Let's just start there. How many sets you do?
I only do 3 sets.
3 sets?
Yeah, I usually burn.
I got you.
You got it? I burn out with sometimes I burn out with a 4th set, sometimes I don't. But I usually do 3 sets of everything. So, he on it, right?
Right here.
I want to get on that when he's done. So, let's get to it.
Oh, she's nice.
Appreciate it.
What else we got to do besides?
Real talk.
Yeah.
You want to go to some arms?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Yes, sir. I'll finish him.
You said what?
I say, nah, I'm finishing. I'm finishing with these boys. I ain't gonna lie, these hurt.
Man, everything been hurt.
These hurt.
So that means either you just started telling the truth and everything before this was a lie.
These hurt.
Why you so dark?
Hold on, I gotta rest my. Just by holding them hurting.
You said what?
I say just by holding them hurting.
Oh yeah, I believe it. I'm hurting now.
Bro.
Like if somebody, like my parents loved watching scary movies growing up. So if they wanted to watch a scary movie, I'd watch it too. If they wanted to watch a scary movie growing up, I'd watch it. So like I always hated it. Like,
Right.
For different reasons. I woke up at 3 a.m. and started watching the Jonathan and Junior show.
yeah, you hit every part of the bicep. I know that.
Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna grab them 30s last set.
So what did I say? I said something back and forth.
I'm gonna finish strong. 35.
Let's get it.
I always put that out like that.
It's so much better with a workout partner.
Oh yeah. Nah. Yeah. Hey, say it to the camera. Say it to the camera.
It's so much better with a workout partner.
Because I try and preach to them. If you try to work out, get harder. Get harder. It's way easier. It's easier to push something uphill when it's 2 of y'all.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? All right.
Right here and right here.
We did biceps, we did chest. I'll throw an exercise in there.
Yeah.
That's it,
Forearms. Bet.
You ever talk about living somewhere else outside of Louisiana?
Yeah.
Where you gonna live?
I say I'm going to Cali, but we actually talking about moving up there.
Oh, word.
Yeah. So we're gonna go up there, check it out, see what's popping.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
That's one thing I won't deny. It's expensive, but it's beautiful.
I've been in Louisiana all over too long. But my pop's from Miami, so I'll be back and forth. Yes, sir. What you want to go up to?
Shit. I see what you put. That's cool.
I'm gonna go 7. We do 7. Let's see what we do.
What type of music you listen to?
Man, I be on YTB. I fuck with YTB hard. YTB fat.
Yeah, I feel like YT. It's crazy, right? Because, like, because I work out all over the place.
Yeah.
You can always kind of see who really hitting.
Yeah.
You know who I used to fuck with when I was back in high school?
Who?
Kevin Gates. Kevin Gates used to go crazy.
Gates hard, I ain't gonna lie. I used to
go crazy down here.
Hey, I used to, I don't listen to Gates too much.
Not nowadays, he a little
But,
freak now.
yeah.
A little freaked out for me. When he said something, I think he said something about sticking his tongue down the cafeteria later.
Man, that dude, that's crazy.
I don't need to listen to this no more.
Yeah, I be on that, liqueur, AGB, what is that? AB, something like that, liqueur though.
Okay.
I be on him.
You listen to that YB?
Fat Fox, yeah, I be on Fox. That's really all I listen to. I listen to a little.
Big Avo? He kind of down here.
Yeah, I listen to a little bit.
He don't really hit like he used to.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit YB, not too much.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, I be on that Fat Fox though. Right.
So, guys, video's not over. I'm currently in Hibbett Sports. I ain't gonna lie, and I look mad crazy. I had to buy a hard hat for the next load. I bought some shoes. I got them attached to me. And, we low-key trying to figure out. I'm low-key trying to figure out what hat I want to buy. I low-key peeped. This one right here. Let's see.
That was weeks ago, Randy. You still holding on that, whatever. Try it, keep backing up.
See, but there ain't nothing on the side that I like with it. And I was low-key peeping this one right here. This one cool, this one 35, some slight. What's this? Real series. We might do it.